Hello everybody, my name is Faef Odas. This is my setup, this is my keyboard, my workstations, the Sizer Arranger workstation, multimedia workstation. This is my PC, and here we have my audio interface. This is, let me show you, a Lexicon Alpha interface, and many of you may have the same problem that I do have. It is when I try to record my keyboard in the PC through this audio interface, there is a noise recorded along with the music, and it is something like a buzz. It is something like zzz. Many of you may have that problem, especially with this specific audio interface, the Alpha Lexicon. Now, a few days ago I was thinking that maybe my audio interface is the problem. It is faulty, there is a technical problem with this, it does this problem with the noise recorded on the audio file. But after watching other YouTube videos, reading articles on the internet and things like that, I figured out that it may not be this case, and the problem may not be with the audio interface, the Lexicon Alpha, but it might be with the connection between the keyboard, the workstation, and the audio interface. So, let's not talk too much, let's go straight to the point. This is how I'm going to fix this audio problem. The thing I did was to buy a couple of these direct boxes. These direct boxes have a switch here which can lift the ground, and when we lift the ground, the buzzing problem recorded with the audio file is going away. This is a simple solution, and I bought two of these because each one is a single channel. It is only one channel, and I want to connect my keyboard on stereo because it has the left and right channels. So I'm going to use two, one for the right channel, one for the left channel, and connect my keyboard through these direct boxes to then the direct boxes will go straight to the audio interface, and this is how I will solve this problem. I already tried with one channel, it works, and now I'm going to make this setup, and then we will record a small audio file and we will see if it works. Now these direct boxes are Chinese, as far as I know. It is Arctic, the company that makes these things is called Arctic. It is DB1, this thing, if you can see it. These are very nice boxes, they are very cheap. It is 10 euros, at least in my country it is 10 euros one of them. So both cost me 20 euros. And I'm going also to use a couple of cables. These are microphone cables. It is XLR female to stereo jack. This is 1 meter cable, I don't need any longer. So I'm going to use these cables, these two cables, with the two direct boxes. I will make the connections and we will be back very soon. So guys, the connections have been made. I have made a recording, and the sound is clean. There is no buzzing, there is no humming, there is no nothing. Clean and pure sound coming out from the keyboard. Again, I used two of these Arctic DB101 direct boxes. It cost about 10 euros, at least in my country. I'm from Greece, by the way. And I used a couple of balanced XLR female to stereo jack cables This is the company's Adam Hall cables, 3-star cable. This one, and this is the DB1. So all of this, a couple of cables, and two of these cost me about 30 euros. It is not much, it is not expensive, and my sound now is clean, and I can go back to recording music again without having sound problems with buzzing, humming, and everything else like this. So now I will play for you a small sample recording, a small recording sample when by using this method, these direct boxes. So you can see that it is very cheap, not expensive, to get rid of this problem if you have it in your home studio. So I hope this helps somebody, some of you out there, if you have the same problem, especially if you use the same interface, the Lexicon Alpha. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay to listen to the sample of the recording, and I will see you maybe in the next video about music, gear, and things like this. Bye.